Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super handy: how to use your Easypaisa account without the app. If you're in Pakistan and rely on Easypaisa for quick payments, transfers, or bills, you might not always have the app handy. Maybe your phone's out of space or you're on a basic device. Don't worry, we've got you covered with simple, app-free methods. First off, let's quickly recap what Easypaisa is. It's a popular mobile wallet service that lets you handle money matters right from your phone, but you can access it without downloading the app using USSD codes or the web portal. We'll start with the USSD method because it's straightforward and works on almost any phone. Step 1. Grab your phone and dial *345# from the dialer. This is the magic code for Easypaisa. Once you hit send, you'll see a menu pop up on your screen. From there, you can choose options like checking your balance, sending money, or paying bills. For example, to check your balance, select the balance inquiry option and follow the prompts. It's that easy, no app required. If you prefer the web route, head over to the Easypaisa website on any browser. Go to easypaisa.com.pk, log in with your credentials, and voila, you're in. From the dashboard, you can manage transactions, view statements, or even add funds. Remember, for security, always use a secure internet connection and keep your login details private. One more tip. If you're facing issues, Easypaisa has a helpline you can call for assistance. Just dial 345 from your registered number and their team will guide you. There you have it. Managing your Easypaisa account without the app is a breeze. Give it a try next time you're on the go. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.